understanding and knowing is two huge different words. Because you can know a lot of things, you can know a lot of variables and aspects that you needed to be successful. So just for example, you know that 1 plus 1 is 2. But if you understand that 1 and you add an additional 1, you get 2. So you understand that you don't come up with the answer of 2 just by logic, or you don't come up with the answer 2 just because it is. You know that because there are 2 things that added together, you will come up with 2. So if you have faced another problem that, for example, 2 plus 2, you will not come out with 2 because you understand that the logic behind the 2 answer on the 1 plus 1 is by adding variables to another variables. So you understand that concept, then you can apply it not just on that specific case. So that you know the answer in 2 plus 2 question is 4 because you add those 2. And same as developing skills. So as of now, we are in the stage of AI, stage of instant, stage where you can get the result without knowing how. But that is the gray line and a very important thing to notice, because a lot of people now are satisfied with the result but never get into detail on how to get it. So in the long run, it will going to be riskier and riskier if you have dependent on just the result, because you don't know the factors or the criteria on which why the AI arrive on that specific solution. So in anything in life, what we need to develop is not just knowing things. It's about understanding things. Because if you understand, your decision will be much more accurate and reliable. So as always, thank you for watching. Welcome to Waking Era. See you again next time.